AI is not a distant future. It is a tool for everyone right here, right now. There's a common myth that AI is only for tech experts, developers, or data scientists, but that's not the truth. The truth is, AI is for everyone. It's for the business owners, the students, and the dreamers. Imagine a business owner automating customer support or a manager drafting months of content in minutes. Or a student using AI to summarize complex research papers, allowing more time for deep learning and creativity. Creators are now using AI to upscale their visuals and brainstorm unique ideas they never thought possible. This is why United AI Academy exists. We don't just teach you what AI is, we show you how to use it. From streamlining your daily work to revolutionizing your business strategy, we guide you every step of the way. Because when you master these tools, you aren't just more efficient, you unlock a whole new level of potential. Visit UnitedAIacademy.com to start your journey today. United AI Academy, empowering people through AI.